Keli Machinery PE135E foaming machine. Turkish customers reorders again. Trust comes from stability and efficiency. Smooth roll winding, stable sheet extrusion. Main extruder runs steadily. Core parts ensure quality. Precise control system. Smarter operation. With 1020 millimeters, higher production efficiency. Thickness 6.5 millimeters, density 14 kilograms per meter cube. Lightweight and cost savings. Easier transport. On-site thickness and weight testing. Every sheet meets high packaging standards. Lightweight plus strong resilience. Ideal choice for the packaging industry.